Want to find out if you're underweight, normal, overweight, or obese? Let's learn how to check your body mass index, or BMI, right from home. BMI stands for Body Mass Index. It's a quick way to estimate if your weight is healthy for your height. To check your BMI, you'll need just 3 things: a weighing scale, a measuring tape, and a calculator or smartphone. First, step on the scale with bare feet and note your weight in kilograms. Next, stand straight against a wall and measure your height in meters. Now, use this formula. BMI equals weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. Here's how to interpret your BMI. Less than 18.5 is underweight, 18.5 to 24.9 is normal, 25 to 29.9 is overweight, 30 or more is obese. BMI is a helpful guide, but not the whole story. Eat balanced meals, stay active, and talk to your doctor for personal advice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips.